Joseph Hubertus Pilates had a mission. His mission was to develop a healthy society, prolong lifespan, and increase athletic performance. He developed a lifelong interest in body conditioning and dedicated himself to becoming stronger. But strength isn't just the muscle or the lifting of a certain amount of weight. Rather, strength is the measure of a person's ability to face a problem or weakness and persevere over it. Joseph Hubertus Pilates did likewise throughout his life in developing his method and the equipment to perform on. The art of contrology is what Joseph Hubertus Pilates called it during his lifetime, and has since become his namesake, Pilates. But the art of contrology is more than a derivative of its founder's name, more than a modern exercise fad. It is a method based on principles. The art integrates mind, body, spirit, a working oneness to movement, and how movement benefits the health of human beings. The human body is a dynamic vehicle. It's not a house or temple, except in thinking. The human body is a force of motion with integral parts that are animate. It is up to the individual to become aware of the specificity of the human function and then control it mentally, physically, and spiritually. The art of contrology begins with centering, focusing on the center of the body and a clear mind. Then concentration brings your attention to the exercise, awareness, fully committed to understanding the maximum value in each movement. The third principle is control. Every movement and motion is done with control, as each body part is understood to be conscious with a mental focus on each part controlling. Next is precision and the appropriate body placement, alignment relative to other body parts, followed by breath. Our philosophy and style of Pilates is a derivative of Romana Krzyżanowska, one of Joseph Hubertus Pilates' dedicated pupils, and she was Simona Cipriani's master teacher, all passed down from master and to teacher, each with an emphasis of full breath. Motion therapy is the nature of work, Simona Cipriani's purpose and passion, modalities that accentuate and mold the natural strength and flexibility that is within the body, training the spine and limbs to their full potentiality. Accomplishing the same for the person's entire being, the personal experience of Simona Cipriani as a dancer lends her sensitivity and awareness of how critical and important it is for each and every person to be able to experience themselves, their minds, and bodies in the process of becoming their best. Allow me to invite you on this journey. It's a path we all walk together. As Romana learned from Joseph Pilates himself, we are always learning and growing. We are all invited to return to life through the Pilates method. It was Joseph Pilates' desire to have his method known the world over. Romana lit that fire in Simona Cipriani to become a teacher of teachers. Come join us at the Art and Science of Contrology Teacher Training Program, where you too can become part of this exciting lineage.